So today in this video we are going to see how we can backup our IMEI. So let's get started. So first thing, we need to have our stock room installed our phone. You can see I am on my Indian stock room. You have to be rooted it first. As you can see, I am rooted with KernelSU next. See, and you have to download Termux. I will be provide a link for Termux, or you can download it from the Play Store. Before opening it, give it root permission. As you can see, I am giving it super user access. Open Termux and write here SU. If you are using Magisk, you need to do this step only. Open Termux and write SU here. Then enter. I will be provide you a link for all these commands. For backup, you have to click these commands. We already write SU, so we don't need to copy this. We have to copy these commands. Tap on it and it will be copied. Then open Termux, paste here. All command will be run, but one single will not. You have to press enter for that. Then your image will be backup. You can see it in file manager in internal storage. These commands are backup. You have to store it in your safest place. Do not share these to any other person. Make a backup in your PC or any other thing. And for backup, you have to paste these in your internal storage. If you are using any custom ROM and Chinese ROM, you have to paste these to your internal storage. Then for backup restore, you have to copy these commands and paste it to Termux. And for last command, you have to enter also. Then so let me know, is this helpful for you or not? Let's see in another video. Stay curious, stay updated. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Ram Ram.